Hey guys, what's up? It's Ben here from Ben Tech Review. Alright, today I just received the package from Amazon. As you can see, this is Street by 50 headphones by SMS Audio from 50 cents. Alright, this is the front of the package. And this is the back of the package. The side, you can see 50 cents. Oh, sorry, and his signature down below. Then, it's just all instructions. Yep. Let's get it open. I got my trusty little knife here. Finally, I got my knife. Okay, just open from the side. I got a Phantom Blue version because it looks really nice and it stands up pretty well. Alright, let's unbox this. Okay, let's see what's inside. Let's pop this open. Wow, it looks good. Okay, let's take this out. Let's leave this aside and look at the accessories given. It came with a really nice packaging. Okay, there is a pouch to keep your Street by 50 SMS audio, airplane jack, the cord to plug into the headphones, and some manual. And a manual. Yeah, it's a manual something. Alright. And we actually got a cleaning cloth to clean up the headphones so you won't scratch your headphones. Okay, let's put all of this aside. Oh yeah, we got a manual here. It's in a lot of languages. Okay, let's get the box aside. Alright, we got the headphones itself here. Let's take this plastic cover out. Okay, let's bring it out. It is sold by Amazon for $99 US. It's Phantom Blue. Wow, it's really tough material. It's plastic on the top, anodized. The cups, the jack where you can put your wire in, the cord in. Let's take the cord out. There we go. Okay, it looks really durable. It has passive noise cancelling, so you don't need battery for this. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this. I'll give you a full review in a week or so. Yeah, thanks guys for watching. Peace out. Oh yeah, and if you like this video, give this a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Thanks guys for watching. Goodbye.